Welcome to True Insight, a premium channel partner for Altair Engineering. In this video, we will look into the installation of Altair License Manager and setting up a local license on your machine. Upon the purchase of Altair license, you should receive an email from license@altair.com containing the license file and an instructions document. Please have that downloaded in the folder you like and do not delete it until the installation is complete. Next, open Altair One Marketplace in a web browser and log into your Altair One account. Select any tool like HyperWorks or HyperMesh and click on the License Manager tab from the side menu. Then, click on License Manager 15.0 to start the download. Once the download is complete, start installing the License Manager. Your Windows operating system will prompt you if there is an older version installed. You can upgrade by clicking Yes in the pop-up window. Now, you can browse to the location of the license file you downloaded and click Next for the installation to continue. Click Done once the installation is completed. Alternatively, you can select the option Old to proceed without a license file during the installation. Note that it will require additional steps after installation to activate your license. To connect your network clients to your license server, you have to set up an environment variable pointing to your Altair License Manager. To do so, go to the System Properties and Environment Variables, then click on New to set new variables. The variable name should be Altair_license_path, and the value should be the port number @ your server name. This will enable the applications to access the units required for it to be launched. Additionally, you can go to the program files and the installation folder for your license manager and open altair-serve.cfg file, which is the configuration file. Scroll down in the configuration file or search to find license_file to verify the license path is set to the correct location. Now, you can use the license manager to monitor your unit usage and manage your license in general. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and visit trueinsight.io for more information.